Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming what you have. Run Docker version and Docker info so you know the installed release and repository. Next, export or backup Docker Compose files, named volumes, and any critical images. This prevents data loss during upgrades. Then update your package metadata with sudo apt update or the equivalent for your distro, and remove old conflicting packages so the new Docker packages can install cleanly. Once ready, add the official repo if missing, and proceed to fetch the latest package lists. Now you install or upgrade the packages themselves. Add the Docker GPG key and repository that matches your distro and channel so package management pulls the correct binaries. Then run sudo apt install dockerc dockerccli containered. EO or use yum/dnf/pacman equivalents. This will upgrade existing installs or place new binaries. After packages complete, enable and start the service with sudo systemctl enable now docker. Make sure to verify with systemctl status docker and Docker version to confirm the new release is active. To finish, run quick smoke tests like docker run hello world and start a simple container to validate runtime behavior. Then list images and containers to ensure volumes and data are intact. If the upgrade altered daemon behavior, adjust daemon. JSON or restart affected containers. Make sure compose files still match the new API. If something goes wrong, check journalctl udocker and docker info for errors. If necessary, revert to the previous package version using your package manager and restore backups to recover services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.